would you shape a question about a pre-chiropractic program that could really aim to contextualize the profession and prime students that are aiming to maybe enter your program 6 months out, a year out, maybe 2 years out? How would a pre-chiro program change things for your incoming students? That's my question.
I think the nature of the questions we ask predetermine where we end up in life.
Mm-hmm.
You know, it's that you can determine your future by the shape of the questions that you ask, and the contradictions or the congruency with your underlying values as a human being, as a chiropractor, I think shape very much where we end up. I think one of the important things for us as educators is to empower students in critical analysis, in question asking, in order to help them eliminate the contradictions between what they value in this life and the actions they bring to bear, the beliefs, the voice, the communication, and the actions they bring to bear on this very, very important time in the history of the human race. You know, one of the questions I think that's just not given enough credence and not developed, or that doesn't have enough prominence in our profession today, was what D.D. Palmer described as the foremost question in his mind. And that question was, why does someone sitting at the same table, eating the same food, same thoughts, same physical environment, experience health, while the person next to them experiences a loss of that health? He didn't ask what causes disease. He's asking what facilitates our health and optimum adaptive capacity. It's an important flip in focus. It's a paradigm shifting question that I think is the ground of substance of what today is probably referred to as salutogenesis. Salutogenesis, the exploration and the model of care born out of a concern and a search for the genesis of salud, or health, as opposed to being pathogenically focused, which is what much of biomedicine, which is, you know, 90% of today's so-called healthcare, disease care systems are actually pathogenically driven, as opposed to looking for that which facilitates and supports our existing state of health.